Just a final question to you, our panel. Nick, I just wonder if you could help us with your finding that there is a need for a holistic approach to legal aid, because that was a very strong finding in the report. Perhaps you could just explain that.
We found that very often the sort of problems that we were being told about couldn't be isolated, and I think that when people come to read the report, then it will be absolutely clear that problems multiply when life is getting very difficult. And there's a beautiful case with the first bit of evidence we received, testimony received from Abby on page 15, and this was the issue of debt. And here was debt running out of control, and it was with the aid of a legally aided funded lawyer that Abby was able to find her way through a bankruptcy order, get her debt sorted out, and then get into work. Now, alongside the debt goes the stress with that, and stress so often leads to physical and mental systems. If a person is a parent, the stress can lead to a lot of unhappiness in the home, can lead to breakup of the home, and we felt that if problems weren't addressed at an early stage and weren't able to be looked at holistically, so there was only funding for one narrow aspect of the problem, then the situation would all too easily run out of control. And we were receiving testimony about situations which had a number of different aspects to them, which couldn't be sliced up. This is somebody's life. And so to be able to have access to a lawyer who can begin to prioritise, begin to see the situation in the round, and begin to give confidence that there can be, if there's progress on one aspect of the situation, there will be progress on other aspects as well. That this is infinitely better than slicing it up and looking at the problems as though they could be tackled just as a part of a person's life. So we felt that legal aid is providing support for persons in the situations in which we find ourselves, and that we wanted to sustain that perception as much as possible.
Thank you very much.